Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most unique luxury travel machines on the road, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. This is not just a van, and it's definitely not a regular camper. It's a rolling VIP lounge combined with long-distance comfort, road trip freedom, and executive-level luxury, all wrapped into a rugged and reliable GMC platform. At first glance, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper makes a powerful statement. The exterior keeps the iconic boxy Savana silhouette, but everything feels more refined and premium. The stretched body design gives it that true limousine presence, while custom paint options, chrome accents, LED lighting, and upgraded wheels instantly separate it from standard vans. The high roof configuration isn't just for looks, it dramatically improves interior space, allowing full standing height and a more open, relaxed environment inside. This is a vehicle that looks ready for red carpet arrivals, cross-country adventures, or private executive travel. Under the hood, GMC continues to deliver dependable performance. The 2026 Savana Limo Camper is expected to offer powerful V8 engine options with improved efficiency and smoother power delivery. Whether you're cruising on the highway, climbing mountain roads, or carrying a full load of passengers and camping equipment, this limo camper feels confident and stable. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and rough roads, while the refined steering and braking system make this large vehicle surprisingly easy to control, even on long journeys. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper truly shines. The moment you enter, it feels more like a private jet cabin than a van. Premium leather seating, ambient LED mood lighting, soft touch materials, and handcrafted finishes create an atmosphere of luxury and relaxation. The seating layout is designed for comfort and social interaction, with plush captain's chairs, sofa-style seating, and generous legroom throughout the cabin. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or VIP guests, everyone gets a first-class experience. The entertainment system takes luxury to another level. Large flat-screen displays, surround sound audio, smart connectivity, and wireless controls turn the cabin into a mobile cinema and entertainment lounge. You can stream movies, connect your devices, or enjoy music with crystal-clear sound. Privacy partitions, tinted windows, and optional smart glass ensure a quiet, personal environment, perfect for relaxation or business conversations on the move. As a camper, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is designed to be both practical and indulgent. The kitchenette area includes sleek countertops, a compact refrigerator, microwave, sink, and ample storage for food and supplies. Everything is intelligently placed to maximize